In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Hubspot account. Whether you've forgotten your password or are unable to access your Hubspot account for any other reason, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to regain access quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all their services and tools. Open up your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the login option, which is typically located at the top right hand corner of the home page. Here's a little tip. Bookmarking this page for easier access in the future might save you time down the road if you find yourself frequently using the site. Once you're at the login page, the next step is to focus on your email address. Here you'll notice an option to enter your email. These fields are the key entry points for your account access, so it's important to ensure you have the correct email that is associated with your Hubspot account. Double check for any typographical errors to avoid any further confusion. After you've entered your email, look for the classic login option. Selecting this will guide you to the traditional login interface, which might be more familiar to some users. If your email is still remembered by the browser, you may already see it filled in the login field. That can be a helpful reminder to ensure you're on the right track. Now, if you can't remember your password, don't worry. This is where you can find the Forgot My Password link. It's generally right beneath the password entry field. Clicking on this will start the recovery process. It's designed specifically for those who've misplaced their password but still have access to their registered email. With that link clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your email once more. After entering, confirm it and then click on the Reset Your Password button. This will trigger an automatic email to be sent to your registered email address with detailed instructions on how to reset your old password. The email will contain a link that will guide you through resetting it to something new and memorable. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see the email in your inbox after a few minutes. Once you receive the email and complete the steps to reset your password, you should be able to access your Hubspot account seamlessly with your new credentials. Remember to choose a strong password, one that is a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your account security. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and you're now back into your Hubspot account without any troubles. Feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.